Yes, it is that time. Time to open all 7 of the Countdown to New Year, because I haven't touched it since I bought it, and it was supposed to be opened on Christmas Day. I've been really busy with family, doing things, enjoying the holiday season, so I thought, hey, let's just do all 7 at once. Why not? I don't know if I'll actually drink all 7. That would be a bad idea, but I'm at least going to taste them, decide which ones I like. May have a glass or 2 tonight, and then maybe I'll put some in the fridge. Maybe I'll give them to my husband, although he does not like sparkling wine as much as I do. So, all right, we're going to start with what I was supposed to open on Christmas Day. Now, these are all sparkling wines from the Aldi Countdown to New Year's. You can catch that video up here that I recorded a few weeks ago. All right, number 1 is this one, which I can't see. Ooh, it's a Prosecco. I like Prosecco. Okay. So I have 7 glasses in front of me. This one is my fanciest glass. I got this for my wedding and never use them because they're so heavy, but I will use that for the very last one in hopes that it's a fancier one than the rest. I'm not sure if these are going to be twist off like the Aldi wine and cheese one was. They're actually 2 separate. There was the wine and the cheese. If you have not seen my wine and cheese unveilings, you might want to go back into my videos and look at them, because I did the pairing. So I did the wine and the cheese and paired them together like they were supposed to be. And it was actually a lot of fun. I will be doing it again next year. They did have a Prosecco at the end and a Cava at the beginning, and they were both twist off. So I'm not sure if these are going to be twist off or not. Yep, it looks like they are. Aha. It is a twist off. All right. Number 1. I know I like Prosecco. Woo. Super bubbly. All right. Cheers to number 1. Prosecco is still one of my favorites. I actually just saw a recipe on Pinterest that I'm going to try possibly tomorrow night. You take a full bottle of Prosecco, and then you take a cup of limoncello and you mix that together. And then before you serve it, I think I would probably serve mine in champagne glasses just because it seems fancier. But you put some blueberries in the glass first, and then you put the mixture, you pour that all into a pitcher, and then you pour that in here into a glass. And then you also garnish with a little bit of thyme. So I think I might pick up some blueberries tomorrow, because I'm pretty sure I already have limoncello in the house. But and I believe you're supposed to get a lemon wedge as a garnish as well. So I might try that for tomorrow night. We are having some company over tomorrow. All right, that was day 1. Day 2, which was the 26th. Ooh, I see a pink cap. Ooh, that's a fancy bottle. This is called Sparkling Demi-Sec Pinot Noir. Ooh, that sounds really good. It says drink over ice. I'm not going to drink it over ice. Maybe I'll add the ice later, but since it's pink, I'm going to do it in my pink tutu glass. I'm not sure where you can get these. I got these as a gift, but they're fabulous on champagne glass. This is going to be pretty. It's not super pink coming out of the bottle, but I do love Pinot Noir. I do love sparkling wine, so I think I've had something similar like this at the festival. I think I've had something like this at the Disney Wine Fest. If I can find that video, I'll put it up here. Ooh, that is really good. I'm not sure why they tell you to put it over ice. I don't know why you would want it watered down. I do have some of those ice things in the freezer that you put in drinks that don't water it down. So maybe I'll do some of that, but right now, I don't think I need it. Ooh, that is so good. It's a little sweeter than the Prosecco, but not crazy sweet, but it definitely is a little sweeter than the Prosecco. I really like that one. Okay, I'm gonna put that in the line so I don't forget what's what. That was number 2. Ooh, moving right along to the 3rd one. It's got a silver cap. This one's in a very pretty blue bottle, and this is a Moscato d'Asti. Okay, I know for a fact Moscato d'Asti is gonna be super sweet. I have a recipe for you. You take strawberries, you pour Moscato d'Asti over the top of them, and you soak them. When you're ready to serve the dessert, you get those little strawberry shortcake little things you get in the grocery store, and you spoon the mixture of the strawberries that had been soaking in the Moscato over into that, and then you put whipped cream on the top. and that's an adult dessert. Ah, this one's a little hard to open. It's got a little thing around the top. I needed to go get one of these to open the top of this. This takes the label off of things way easier. I have a new manicure and I do not want to mess up my New Year's nails. All right, time to pull out the steak knife. I hope I don't cut myself trying to do this. Ah, I think I got it. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was so hard to open. They made that very difficult. All right, this is the Moscato d'Asti. Yep, super sweet. If you like sweet sparkling wines, the Moscato d'Asti is definitely something that you will like. A little too sweet for me right now, so I'm gonna put this back over here. I think so far, I really like the Pinot Noir one, just because it's different. I'll probably drink that one tonight. Well, here is the next wine, Sparkling Rosé. Ooh, I think that calls for another 2-2 glass. Sparkling Rosé. This is not going to be as sweet as the Moscato Asti. It might be drier than the Pinot Noir. I'm guessing it's going to be, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, it's definitely drier. So the order of dryness, this is the driest of all four so far, then the Prosecco, then the Pinot Noir, and the sweetest is the Moscato Asti. So it's really good so far though. Okay, that one's not my favorite, but it's not bad. But it's also coming off after drinking that crazy sweet Moscato d'Asti. You're supposed to do these a different one every night, not 7 in a row like I'm doing. So my taste buds were affected by the sweet. All right, the next one, number 5, this is another ice one. It does say drink over ice, which I'm not going to do. It is a demi-sec Chardonnay. I don't know that I've ever had a bubbly Chardonnay. This could be interesting. All right. It's very bubbly. And these are all full pours. This one was less expensive because it's only 7 days. I want to say I spent $25 on this one, but I can't remember. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that one's nice. Surprisingly, not dry. It's got a bit of sweetness to it. I'd say it's, let's see, hold on. This is the same brand, the ice. So this is the Pinot Noir one. That one is so good. And this is the Chardonnay one. Yeah, this one is actually sweeter. Pinot Noir is still sweeter. But this is good. But this is also a little bit sweeter than the Prosecco. So that's a good one. So I'll put that one over there. All right. The one that's supposed to be for tonight is the 30th one, day 6. This one is a Brut Rosé. Pretty sure this is going to be drier. All right, here we go. Brut Rosé. This one doesn't have as much flavor as the other ones. Definitely a little bit drier, but not spectacular. It's meh. The other ones have way more flavor than this one. Not my favorite. So we put that one there. All right. And last but not least, the one that's supposed to be for tomorrow night, but I'm going to be busy with company. I'm actually making a charcuterie tray tomorrow night for the first time with items that I only bought from, except for the produce, that I bought from Trader Joe's and Aldi. So I'm thinking about making a video about that. So if you think you want to see a video like that, put your comments down below. But I think I might do that when I make it tomorrow night and just film what I'm making. All right, so this is the one that's supposed to be tomorrow night, But I'm opening it tonight because we're just doing all 7 and why not? And I'm already feeling buzzed and I barely even drank anything. I am a cheap date, people. Okay. Da-da-da. Cava. I like Cava. Cava is a Spanish sparkling wine. And Cava is usually more on the lines with Prosecco. And it's going in the fancy glass. This is my lead crystal glass that I don't use because I'm always afraid I'm going to break it. Ooh. All right, we're going to toast a Happy New Year and taste the Cava. Okay, yes, Cava's, I do enjoy the Cava. Let's taste it next to Prosecco. Hang on. Okay, it's not as, Prosecco's a little bit sweeter, but just by a smidge. This is more of a true champagne. Of course, you can't call it a champagne technically unless it comes from the Champagne region of France. But Cava is a nice second. Well, with that, I wish all of you a happy, healthy, and prosperous 2020. Here's to hopefully hitting 1,000 subscribers in 2020. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. If you're not, think about it. All you have to do is click the subscribe button below, hit that bell notification, and that's how you'll know when I do upload new things. And give me a thumbs up. All right. Happy New Year, everyone. See you in 2020.